If you combine the PBT, PBT is lower, 4.4%, lower than 5%. But again, if you, as I said, take whichever is higher. In this case, turnover is higher than PBT, so we consider this company as non-improved. Shari'ah guidance. These issues will come to us as whenever we release the latest list to the public. And most of the questions will come from fund managers, Islamic fund managers. So we need to provide some clear guidelines to the investors how to treat investment in non-approved stocks. In first case, for example, investment in approved securities, which is subsequently reclassified as non-approved. As I said, we announced the latest list or the updated list in April and in October. And during these two announcements, there will be companies excluded from the list, which were previously deemed as approved. And suddenly, in this October announcement, this ABC company has been deemed as non-approved. So how do you treat your investment? You hold this, for example, this ABC company, because previously it was deemed as approved, and suddenly, recently, it has been classified as non-approved. So can you keep this company? Can you keep this company? Can you still keep as one of your investment portfolio or not? So there is a guidance. The guidance is on the announcement date. The moment we make announcement on the last Friday of April or October, if it's not public holiday, then you must dispose immediately. The moment the announcement is made on Friday, and you discover this company has been classified as non-approved from previously being classified as approved, you must liquidate this company immediately. And any capital gain from the disposal, you can keep. This is not my ruling, this is SEC ruling. Okay? You can keep any capital gain that you made on the day of the announcement. However, if the market price on that particular announcement date is below your original investment cost, for example, your cost is 10 ringgit, market price on the announcement day is 9 ringgit, you are not compelled to liquidate. You are not required to liquidate. You can keep it. You hold until the price of this particular stock equal to the original investment cost. You can keep. You don't have to dispose on Friday. You can wait till Monday, the following week. And the moment it equalizes your investment cost, you have to immediately dispose. And you cannot make any capital gain. You cannot wait until the price is above your investment cost. You cannot wait until the price is above your investment cost. You can only wait until it equalizes your cost. The moment it touches 10 ringgit, you must immediately dispose. And that's the ruling by the SEC. And sometimes it takes years for you to wait until it breaks even. Isn't it? In the case of our Islamic investment institution, for example, Tabung Haji, there are a lot of controversies. I pity Tabung Haji because you do not know the real story behind the scene. I'm not in a position to tell you, but I can just give you a broad story, the general scenario. They have to keep it, They have to keep it because it will be below their cost. They have to keep it for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And this one smart chap tell the Parliament, Wakil Rakyat, Tabung Haji is investing in non-halal stock. They did not know that Tabung Haji has to keep the stock because they cannot liquidate. It has not equalized the cost. Isn't it? If they liquidate, the Tabung Haji will incur losses. And eventually, who will incur losses? We are the holders, the investors in Tabung Haji. So, Shari'ah Council has come up to the decision you can keep. You can keep until you equalize. And the price has equalized or has break even. But Jangan suruh tabung haji tunggu sampai untung baru jual kan. So you cannot wait until it give you some capital. But to expedite, tabung haji or Islamic funds for that matter can expedite the disposal if too many controversies going around saying that this Islamic investment institution are keeping non-halal stock. As investment manager of this particular investment institution can expedite the disposal by taking into consideration dividends received over the year. You add up the dividends value to your cost. If you receive dividend 50 cents, your cost is 10 ringgit, the market value is 9 ringgit, it becomes 950. You wait, next year you receive 1 ringgit dividend, 9 plus 1 is 10, you can expedite the disposal. You don't have to wait until market price equals to your cost. You can expedite through having the dividend income imputed in the valuation of the share. So after the announcement date, if the market price has exceeded original investment cost, let's say the announcement is on Friday, on Monday, the following week, the price has increased to 12 ringgit on the original cost of 10 ringgit. You must immediately liquidate and dispose. The difference between the original investment cost and closing price of the announced date, I think there's some missing statements there. My apology, I think there's some error in this slide. But again, the moment you discover the market price has exceeded your investment cost on Monday, for example, you must immediately sell it. On Friday, if you sell, you can keep the profit. Let's say your cost is 10 ringgit on Friday. Sorry. Let's say on Friday the cost is 10 ringgit, but you don't sell it. Okay? You don't sell it because of you are unable to tell your remisers to sell it. Okay? The remisers were busy buying new halal stock, so they don't have time to dispose. Okay? So you are unable to approach them. Only on Monday you can reach your remiser and ask them to dispose of the share. If you were to dispose on Friday, you will make capital gain of 1 ringgit, but you did not. So you dispose on Monday, your capital gain has increased to 2 ringgit. Can you keep all those times 2 ringgit? No, you cannot keep 2 ringgit. You can keep up to 1 ringgit. Additional 1 ringgit must be dengan rela hati channel to the charitable bodies. Not to the club sukan, but to the charitable body. I have received few questions from the investment institution. Can we channel this additional gain to our club sukan? I said no. You cannot channel to your club sukan. Your club sukan is not charitable body. It's for your benefit, so you can't channel to clubs. You can only channel it to approved charitable bodies, which you can refer to the Shari'ah committee of your individual investor. You can refer to Majlis Agama dan sebagainya lah. Yeah? So you can only take up to 1 ringgit. Additional 10 ringgit must be given to the charitable bodies. And again, if you hold because of the price is lower than investment cost, you hold at the equal the investment cost, and you can use dividends received over the years to expedite the disposal. So clear, Professor? Tabung haji do not keep non-halal stock intentionally. Okay, I am not speaking on behalf of tabung haji, I suppose, unofficially, but from our observation and discussion with them, they have to keep it because they have not been able to break even. But people make some issue out of it. Yes,
the dividends is from before the date, when it is delisted, or after the date? You have been making dividends all the years when it is still in the list. So which one are you calculating? The one after delisting, which means including the halal income, or the dividends that you have got in the past? Although upon delisting, the price is not yet par, but if you calculate your previous dividends, you might have reaped your profits anyway.
You before the announcement, your share is halal. Before the announcement,
yeah, it is halal. So are you talking about the previous dividends or the dividends after the listing?
The bottom dividend. The dividend that you should be receiving in the future.
But are you requiring company to also calculate the previous dividends? Because they get the dividends plus whatever run at that time.
We did not go to the extent of our guideline. I think we